Guardian Glass is one of the world's largest manufacturers of float, coated, and fabricated glass products. We operate 24 float lines throughout North and South America, Europe, Africa, the Middle East, and Asia. Guardian Egypt is located in the 10th of Ramadan City in Cairo, Egypt. The plant manufactures float glass that has become a key feature of architectural designs in the region. Guardian Egypt is dedicated to providing its customers with high-quality glass products. Guardian Egypt is the first float glass manufacturing plant for Guardian in Africa and the second plant for Guardian in the Middle East. Since 2003, we have been able to serve these regions by producing float glass. In 2022, Guardian invested in low-iron glass production Ultra Clear, the first for Guardian in the region. The float line has a capability of producing approximately 31 running kilometers of glass per day. And in almost 4 days, the facility produces enough glass to cover a building that is as high as the Great Pyramids of Giza. The most important asset of our company is our employees, in a culture that values integrity, compliance, and value creation. It's their intelligence, character, and spirit that enable us to innovate, all cooperating as one team on the field. The plant is close to customers, both literally and figuratively. Through pioneering research, the dedication of our people, and a firm belief in close collaboration with our partners and customers, we find new ways to build, design, and inspire with glass. And with almost no language barriers, a real relationship of trust has been built up over 19 years with our customers. Our team is committed to working conscientiously to create preferred partnerships with our stakeholders in the region. Guardian Egypt is a company of vision, a company with leadership, foresight, and the imagination to prosper in a world of profound change through the innovative and responsible use of our resources and technology. Guardian Glass. See what is possible.